Everybody, welcome to my channel Aditya 11 Triple T. Today we are here with a very interesting case of this particular model laptop. The model number is Acer Aspire 4752. This is a very interesting case, and this is all about this particular small DC jack. Here I am going to demonstrate you what has happened and what I am going to do. Now here is the board number. You all can see over here. This is the board number. Okay, that was the model, and we will be talking about this particular jack. Now what is the issue in this laptop is the customer came up with the problem of that he has purchased the adapter from me, and he told me that this laptop is not getting charged. But when we use this particular battery, it gets charging on. Okay, after getting charging on, when we use this particular battery, this laptop works perfectly fine, no issues. But when we insert an adapter on this, okay, this laptop is not getting charged and not working via adapter also. So basically what I have done is I have connected the supply of this DC supply I have connected over here. Okay, and I have connected it to the mains, that is a 19 volt supply, and this I have connected to the ground. After doing this particular thing, what I found was this laptop is switching, and as well as it is getting charged. Okay, now I'll show you how it is getting charged. Let me demonstrate you. Particularly I am into 5 volts right now, and I am just putting it up. Okay, I am increasing it, and as it will be reaching 17 to 18 volt, it will start charging. Here, this is ampere it is taking, and this is the light it has been glowing. This is the red light, which indicates that this battery is charging from this particular DC supply. Okay, now what I found was this particular jack has the continuity of ground and the main supply. It is having a continuity, but still it is not getting 19 volt to this jack. It is not passing the jack, as it is not passing the jack, it is not getting on. I'll show you that also in this part of the video only. Let me first remove this particular all part. I have told you the problem, and now I'll show you the problem practically, why I found this particular thing happening, and then you can all understand what is happening in this board. So the purpose of this video is basically that it is not necessary every time the problem persists about this particular thing. It may also varies from board to board and time to time. Okay, now I am checking this particular pin. As I have told you that this particular pin is having completely okay. See, here is the continuity, you can hear it from here. The continuity is right here, you can hear it. You can see the continuity over here. I'll show you the continuity. I am showing you the continuity right away. I am checking it. This is the continuity you are getting. Okay, and as I connect it to inside also, you will get the continuity. 19 volt also it is getting. This is the I am checking right here. This is I am checking from inside also, and it is showing completely a continuity. Now I have connected it to the adapter. Okay, adapter is showing 19.32 voltage. Right here you can see the voltage is coming perfectly good. 19.32. I am here connected with the adapter. Now I am going to connect this adapter to this socket and see what happens over here. Now here you can see I am trying to check it on the directly from the socket what is happening. I am checking on the socket. Here I am taking the example of socket. Now I am checking on the socket directly. As you can see, this is the socket I am checking, and I am pressing it here, and you can see there is no voltage coming right here. Okay, no voltage is coming. I am keeping it into the ground. This is the ground part, this is the supply part, and no voltage is coming. You can see it is not coming properly. It is getting fluctuated again and again. No voltage is coming. That's why it is not working. Thank you. Now when we press the center pin down, we get 19 volt over here, and there is some loose contact with the pin, and that's why we are not getting the 19 voltage over here. Okay, now here we were talking about this particular jack which was faulty. Although we are getting a continuity right from this end to this end, after doing research work, we found that the problem doesn't persist with the continuity, but the problem persists inside the middle of the jack. The problem is that in this middle pin it is getting 19 volt, but here downside there is a ground connection in up and down. The problem is that it is not getting the proper ground to the pin. When we insert the pin, that is not getting touched to the particular ground section of the jack, adapter. That's why we are not able to get 19 volt out of it. So therefore this particular DC jack needs to be replaced, or we have to create a junction inside it so that it can get a ground and give the voltage properly. But as it is inside this particular jack, it is very difficult for us to create a DC jack negative junction. So we are going to replace this particular part and our job will be done. So basically I have shifted the cable from this jack to this jack, and after shifting the cable I found that this jack is getting perfectly 19 volt, and this is the ground portion, this is the ground part, this is the supply part, and we will be connecting it to the board and board will start. So I have connected this particular DC jack over here. This is being connected here, and now we are going to test the display whether the display comes or not, and it is getting on right now, and if the display is coming. This is the display over here. So this was all about the video. Thanks for watching our channel. Thanks for watching Aditya 11 Triple T. If you like our video, do subscribe, like, comment and share.